Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background of inserted photo on your video with inShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my inShot application and I have created a project on my inShot. And first of all, I'm going to insert a photo in this video. If we want to insert photo, we can tap on PIP option and then choose a photo you want to insert. And for instance, I'm going to insert this photo to my video. Okay, and we can adjust the size of the photo. And if you want to remove the background of this photo, you can click on the cutout option. Okay, and here we have two options guys. We can choose cutout or chroma. If you have green screen photo, I recommend you to choose this chroma feature and you will be able to remove the green screen background of your photo. But if your photo is like this, you can select cutout and your background will be automatically removed. And as you can see, now the background has been removed from my photo. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove background of inserted photo on our video with inShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.